The first altcoin I want to talk about is Celsius Network token. So this token has been a really weird token. So as you probably know, I made a video about this earlier in August 14, and the price was about $0.4 then. And after that, now the price is $4. So everyone who got a 10x, congratulations to you. And for now, I just wanted to briefly take a look at this coin again and reevaluate my position, if I want to sell or what do I think of its future. So I took a look at its analytics, and I have to say they are still looking quite impressive. And for that reason, I actually did buy more Celsius Network tokens at the all-time high, which is against my personal investment strategy. But I will explain soon why I did buy more of these. So anyway, the price is super high currently, but I have been waiting for pullbacks. Man, I have to tell you guys, I have been waiting for the pullbacks for this coin, but they just never happened. And for that reason, I just don't want to wait anymore. So I just allocated a little bit of my capital into Celsius Network token. So I sold a little bit of Bitcoin for Celsius Network for now, just because it's so casual to earn interest on your crypto, as well as the tokenomics are the best on the market. And yeah, let's just take a look at the statistics so you understand a little bit better. So the cool thing about this is that it is a mobile application and they have an open API, which means that you can get information out of the platform, and they are quite open about it. So here you can see the community growth chart, basically daily. So this starts here on May of 2019. As you can see, the number of signups is 28,000 people and active users is only 5,000 people. Back then they had 11,000 Bitcoin on the platform. And for now, you take a look at this here, on 6th of December, they had 250,000 people signed up and active users is 84,000 people. And if you take a look at the Bitcoin deposits, that's 99,000 Bitcoin. And soon, I think in January, they will have 100,000 Bitcoin under management. And 100,000 Bitcoin current price is about $2.7 billion that they have here only on Bitcoin. But they allow deposits also on other coins like Ethereum, XRP, LTC, BCH, ZRX, all the stable coins basically, as well as Pax Gold. And only Bitcoin, they have already $2.7 billion under management. And the total supply of Bitcoin is only 21 million. So they have almost 0.5% of the total Bitcoin supply under management. So they are already a massive player. Market cap for this coin currently is $1.7 billion, which is already quite a bit. But just comparing the Bitcoin they have under management, which is $2.7 billion, and all the other coins combined, I do believe that their assets under management is much more. And we can actually confirm that from here how many cell is actually stored on the app. The green here, it's 342 million cell tokens are customer deposits of cell on the application, generating a yield for the users. So 342 million cell tokens timed by $4, that's about 1.3 or $1.4 billion just in cell tokens also on the applications that people have. 40 million cell token are outside the app, and 170 million cell token are managed on the Celsius company, as well as they still have 142 million cell tokens locked. So this inflation is not massive for this coin. Almost half is owned by the people here. So the numbers here are really good. The final thing that I want to showcase here on Celsius, on the statistics, is the weekly growth rate. So at the start of the year, the September, autumn time, they had about 4% weekly growth here, and the current growth rate is about 3% per week, which is just completely insane numbers. So 3% per week is a lot. So that's the growth rate they're currently having. That's a lot. And if we take a look, compare this just to compare it to DeFi, we can compare the value locked, which is at least the value of Bitcoin plus the value of cell tokens that people have, which is 4.1 billion. And with Ethereum, stable coins, Pax Gold and other coins out there, I believe they have at least $6 billion under management. And the market cap of this coin is $1.7 billion. So if you just compare that we have at least $4 billion under management, we divide it by the market cap, we get a multiplier of 2.4. So the assets under management, it's at least 2.4 times higher than the market cap. And if we compare that to DeFi, you can go to coingecko.com and click the DeFi button here to see how much dollar value is locked in DeFi. So the whole market cap of DeFi is currently about $20 billion, and the total value locked is $17 billion on DeFi. So on Celsius Network application, the total value locked is about $6 billion, which is about 1/3 of the total value locked in the whole DeFi. And the market cap is only $1.7 billion for Celsius Network token. So you start to understand that, wait a minute, Celsius is actually quite a lot cheaper than DeFi coins out there just by the market cap. So for that reason, when I saw this, I'm like, okay, I'm still quite bullish on the token. So hopefully you understood what I tried to explain there. And the final things, if you take a look at the sell market cap, people want to buy these tokens, but nobody really wants to sell these. That's the sell market depth on the liquid exchange. Other things, XRP was classified as a security, but Cell Network token cannot be classified as a security because they have already registered with the SEC, and they cannot be classified as a security here. And finally, just their recent AMA on 25th of December. These are some of the bullet points from the AMA from thefinancer.org. They are saying that they will have a major exchange listing in February. So that's quite interesting. Currently, if you want to buy this token, you have to buy it on the Liquid application or the Liquid exchange, Uniswap, or you have to use a credit card on the mobile application to buy it. And those are the three only ways you can currently buy it. So to get this token is quite a bit of work you have to do. And if you can get it on the major exchanges, that could just drive the adoption even higher. So having a major listing for this coin in particular is very important in my opinion. So that makes me quite bullish. 30-day net deposit of digital assets is $266 million. As well as the unlocked sell, the team was able to sell their locked sell tokens when the price went to $3, but most employees have locked it for another 3 years. So that's pretty good that there will be not a lot of inflation coming into the token, as well as they will have a new mega deal. So previously they had a deal with Line, which is a messaging application kind of like WhatsApp, but you also have like a Line wallet. So this is big, especially in Asia. So if you want to place USDC or USDT on the Line application, you can do that. And how it generates yield is actually through the Celsius Network platform. So they will have another similar mega deal coming shortly in 2021 as well. So they will also start working with small banks. So that's quite interesting. So it's all in all, this coin hasn't had any kind of FUD. They are always transparent about what they are doing, where they are headed. So for these reasons, and just the value locked compared to the market cap is quite low. So all in all, and the growth rate and everything, I'm still quite bullish for this coin. So for that reason, I did add to my sell holdings. I will be selling next year my sell tokens, don't get me wrong, but I do believe that this market cap can easily go to $3 billion or even $6 billion, or even it can flip XRP at some point if they keep doing what they are good at. So yeah, this is what I got. If you want to get started with this one, of course, use my referral link down below this video somewhere, as well as if you use a promo code, you can get $20 as a referral bonus plus $25 as a promo code if you use this promo code after you sign up and you transfer $500 or more in any digital asset. So all in all, Celsius Network token, I do believe in 2021 it will still be performing really well, and all the statistics I'm looking at this still look quite nice. Next, let's talk about the markets overall. So that was Celsius Network token. From the 7-day move, if we take a look at this, Bitcoin crossed $500 billion, so almost $500 billion. And